up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? Today we are in my dream bedroom decorated for Valentine's Day. And we're gonna take a look at stuff I found on Amazon. Like this. It's a 1/6 scale dollhouse mini model metal dining chair. I got it for $11.29. It is made of metal, however, it looks a little large for our 1/6 scale dollhouse, even though the listing says it was 1/6 scale. And it's looking a little crooked to me. Next to our jewelry box couch, it is definitely a little tall, but let's bring a doll in to see how it looks. I place the doll in the chair. Yeah, I think the chair is a little too large. What about an Integrity Toys doll? This doll's a little taller than a Barbie, so let's see how it looks. To me, the chair still looks a little large, but I guess they could work if you have like a tall table. Here is a 12-piece set of miniature cups for $9.99, making each cup around 83 cents. There's a hole in the handle, and the bottom has some rough edges. The mugs come in sets of 2. We have 2 blue ones, 2 off-white, yellow, brown, green, and pink. They're kind of small, but I think they work as teacups. I was looking at the Disney Illy Forever Cinderella accessory pack. On the back of the box, they show this really nice acrylic desk. So I went to Amazon and found these acrylic stands that are used for displays. It was $20.88 for a pack of 8. There are 4 different sizes and you get 2 of each size. The tallest one stands at about 5 inches. The next one is a little under 4. Then we have 2 3/4 and about 1 1/4. Just peel off the film and it's clear. Our little acrylic desk is 9 inches long and it looks pretty good with the office chair we found a few videos back. When our doll Angelina is sitting in the chair, her legs can go easily under the desk and even the armrest. It's a vibe. Let's see how those Disney Illy Forever Cinderella accessories look on the desk. There's plenty of space for the computer and the keyboard. Place the organizer on the side with the plant. Put the lamp on the other side with the clock, mouse, and the pens, just like the back of the box. This desk is a little thinner than the one seen on the back of the box, but this will totally work for our doll space. Now this wasn't on Amazon, it was at Target, but I'm showing it anyway because this is a miniature washing machine. We showed one a few years back in our laundry room video. We got it on Amazon and this one was black and gold. The one from Target is all white. It was $5. I found it in the Bullseye Playground area at the front of the store. The top opens. The controls are a sticker, and there's a decorative sticker on the front as well. It takes batteries not included, and there is a hose on the side for draining out the water, because this is designed to clean makeup sponges and brushes. Add batteries, a little soap and water, add your dollhouse laundry. That's kinda cool. Close the lid and push the button. And it works! We're washing clothes, y'all! Push the button to stop, open it up, and take out your dollhouse laundry. It's a miniature working washing machine for the dollhouse. However, those stickers can get wet, so look out for that. I picked up a complete Re-Ment set on Amazon for about $85. It has the little label and everything, confirming this is a complete set. You know what that means? No doubles. When we open the box, there's a hardwood floor print and a wall print on the other side that we can carefully cut out and put together to make a backdrop. There is even a little paper side table on the side that we can cut out. I just taped everything together to make the scene. It's pretty small. My Dream Ella Extra Iconic Mini is too tall. Here's a Barbie Extra Mini, which looks a little better. Here's a Chelsea doll on a Barbie Extra Mini body. And here is an LOL surprise. Personally, I don't really need the backdrop because I'm hoping some of these items will fit our 1/6 scale dollhouse. Because I love mini makeup. There is skincare, base makeup, eye makeup, lips makeup, new cosmetics, ready to go, hair care, and beauty routine. And it is so awesome to know that we have all of those because we bought a complete set. And I'm destroying this box. Our first one is skincare. It has a little table or a dresser or even a desk, a perfect size for our Chelsea Extra Hybrid and Barbie Extra Mini. I think it's too large for an LOL surprise doll, and we can probably get away with it with our Dream Ella Extra Iconic Mini. Check this out. The drawers open. I think I might be able to use it as a small coffee table. We'll explore that later. The other items are wrapped in plastic, so I'm just going to cut through the bag. And our first one is a clear vase with flowers. Little pink roses with green stems. I think these are cotton pads. There's a little clear container where we can put them inside. And there's one that we can leave out. There's a little bottle and the top can come off. And there's another one with a gold top. The details are amazing. And they look great with our 1/6 scale dolls. And it looks like there are a few paper cutouts included. In the next box, we have the base makeup with a few paper accessories. There's a small bottle, a little hair clip, a tiny tube, a little makeup sponge, a compact with a little applicator pad that fits inside and we can close it up. There's another little compact. This one's black and it opens. And there's a little tiny sponge that can fit right there. Foil paper was included, so we can add a mirror. And there's a little circle for the other compact as well. And there's a little tiny storage unit with drawers. We've only opened 2 boxes and we already have tons of makeup stuff. So let's open a third. This one is eye makeup. There's a paper magazine, which I'm totally cutting out, and I fold it in half to add to the dollhouse. Let's put that right there. There's a makeup organizer with gold colored trim, which isn't far off from our Illy Forever organizer. And it fits on top of the one we got earlier. There's a little makeup brush. It's a little smaller than the Rainbow High brushes, but I think it still works for the dolls. And we can put it in the little organizer. There's an eyelash curler that really moves. Are you kidding me? Eyeliner where you can remove the cap. What? An eyeshadow palette with an applicator. I like how the top is clear. And there's a little tube of mascara. The little organizer is fun, and it totally works. Box number 4 has lipstick and some picture cutouts. This one looks like wall art, and that's a postcard. There's a little mirror that we have to put the sticker on. I like how it's not attached, so we can put it on whatever desk or table we want. Plus, it moves so you can angle it. But do take care, it is easy to scratch the foil. Here are some cleansing sheets and the top opens and you can take one out so the dolls can remove their makeup. We have 2 tubes of lipstick. The top can be removed and there are 2 shades. There are 2 lip glosses and we can also remove the top as well. I would say the scale is pretty similar to Rainbow High makeup. I think we could place all of these on the same vanity and it would look great. However, the mini brands or mini fashion makeup is a lot larger. However, you might be able to get away with the compacts and perfume. Box number 5 is new cosmetics. There's a paper box that we can make to go with a little bottle of perfume. And the top of the perfume is removable. There's a tiny candle, turquoise nail polish, pink nail polish, a tiny little jar, a brush, and a shopping bag. Here's a size comparison, Illy Forever nail polish versus Re-Ment nail polish. Box number 6 is titled Beauty Routine. There are some beauty items that I know absolutely nothing about. Oh, it's a facial steamer. There's a mask that doesn't fit my dolls, some kind of little serum, a little jar of body scrub, and there's even a little scooper. And there's a silver lid to go on top. And there are a few paper cutouts for you to make. Box number 7 is hair care. We get more wall art, looks like a little birthday card and a little rewards card. There's a spa headband, which is made of plastic, so can't really use this. We can just place it on the counter as a prop. There's a brush. It's a little smaller than the one we get with mini fashion. I think this might be a roller, but I'm not completely sure. There's a tiny bottle of oil, which is pretty awesome. Nice detail there. You can even read the word oil on the front. And there is a tiny blow dryer. The handle can bend. That's pretty cool. And it looks pretty good with the dolls, like a travel size. You can even remove the little piece in the front. And here is our last one. Box number 8, called Ready to Go. There's a pink and gold stool to go with the vanity. It's too small for Barbie. It makes our Chelsea hybrid sit a little low. There's a little jewelry dish, which I think is pretty cool. There are little faux earrings to place inside. Now, these earrings don't have post, so they're just for show. There's a small gold-colored handheld mirror, a small watch, and a little perfume bottle. And there is another perfume box that we can make. So both our perfume bottles have boxes. I think just about everything works with our 1/6 scale dolls. We can place the mirror on a larger desk, use the vanity as a coffee table. We can use all of the cosmetics. The mask doesn't fit, and the stool's a little small. But I'm loving all of the makeup and those tiny little bottles. I will definitely be adding a lot of this to the dollhouse. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at a few things we found on Amazon. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of My Froggy Stuff. And we will see you next time.